Hi everybody, my name is Joanne and I am the program facilitator at the Wainwright Military Family Resource Center. And today we will be making a marble run. Before we get started, I would like to ask that an adult be present and participating in this activity with you. First, you will need cardboard tubes, cardboard tray or box, scissors, masking tape, packing tape, an empty water bottle, and a marble. You can also add different obstacles if you like, as this activity will allow room for lots of creativity. Take your scissors and cut your cardboard tubes down the middle in half. Take your water bottle and cut it in half. This is going to be for the final landing spot of the marble in the maze run. Once our water bottle is cut in half, we will cut the middle so we just have the top and the bottom of the water bottle. Take the top piece of the water bottle and place it upside down into the bottom piece and tape it together. This is what our final landing spot will look like. Once we've got the final landing spot complete, we can start creating our marble run. Take your cardboard tray and your tubes and create a zigzag design, starting at the top and working your way down to the landing spot. You may have to cut some more pieces off your cardboard tubes to allow the marble run to fit in the cardboard box. Take the smaller rolls of cardboard tubes and place them in between each part of the zigzag. Once you have created a design, you can take each piece and stick it to the cardboard tray with your tape. To finish your marble maze run, take your final landing spot and attach it at the very end. With this one, this is where I found that I used a little bit of stronger tape, like packing tape. Now your marble run is complete. It's time to test it out. Take your marbles and add them to the top and release them from your fingers. I hope you all enjoyed this activity and thanks for watching.